Applying formulas can be difficult in pivot tables. If you've ever written a formula with pivot tables, then you would know we are unable to copy the formula easily. If you write the formula with dynamic arrays, then you may be able to write the formula, but you lose it as soon as the pivot table expands. If you want to apply formula to a pivot table, you can use an option called calculated fields. Let's take a look. The data that we have is sales of different products across different regions via different channels. Let's create a simple pivot table that shows total units sold for each product. Steps for that are very simple. Select the entire data. Go to Insert menu and click on Pivot Table. Leave the settings as it is and press OK. Let me zoom in a little. We will bring product to rows and units sold to values. And as you can see, we have the total units sold for all the products. Now let's say, as per business conditions, the company is expecting to sell 15% more products next year. As we know, if we write a formula, we will get the value for the first product. But we won't get the projections for others as we copy it. We'll get the same answer. We can get a temporary answer using dynamic arrays though. The limitation is that as we expand the table, we will lose these calculations. If I try to add channels to columns, Excel tells us that this action will lead to loss of data. And if I press yes, the data is gone. It does not come back if I remove the channel information. The solution to this is to use calculated fields. So how do we add a calculated field? Go to Pivot Table Analyze, go on Fields, Items and Sets, and click on Calculated Field. Give a name to the new field. We can call it Projections. Formula can be units sold into 115%. Press OK and we have the projections. In fact, you will also see them included with the rest of the fields. Now you can use them like any other field. We can completely change the pivot tables to display region-wise projection and it works. I will take the products to columns and display the projected values, and even then it works. This is so much more powerful than just a temporary calculation. So this is how you use a calculated field. I hope this was useful to you. We have a list of other videos for pivot tables. In case you would like to learn more, you can access them from the description below. Thanks for watching.